Hey there, I'm Shane with Printing Services, and here's a short explanation of how to use Publisher. So when you send in your document or you create your document, you want to create it in the size you want printed. So if you want an 8.5 by 11, you want to set your document up as 8.5 by 11. If you want a 5 by 7 postcard, you need to set your document up as a 5 by 7 so we can print it that way. And I'm going to show you how to do that here in Publisher. So we go here and we open Publisher. And you see here where it says more blank pages. Click on that. And see, I've already created some myself, but here's how you can create your own templates. Go down here to where it says create new page size. All right, here is where you can rename it. So let's say we're saying postcard. Now we want, postcards come in 4 by 6, 5 by 7, different sizes. So just depending on what you want. So we're going to change our width here to 7 and our height to 5. And right here, this is your margin guide. 0.5 is a good margin guide, but the smallest margin guide you want will be a 0.25. So I'm going to do that for, see, I put too many points. So that's it. All right, so 0.25, 0.25, 0.25. Okay, and here's the template I just set up. So I'll click on that and create. Now you have your postcard. So you see the little blue line inside. You don't want your text or image to go past that, and it'll give you a nice white border. Now, if you want to try to go to the edge, this blue line, you do not want your text to go past that because you risk your text being cut off or whatever. So say you already have an image of some sort or a previously created file. I'll just throw in my dog. It's just an example here. You see how it distorted because it wasn't the same size of the image I'm creating. So that's one reason you want to be wary. But as you can see, it's now the 5 by 7. Then you can take your text and whatever, put it in here, and then go to File, Print, and you want to print it to a PDF. Now you may or may not have these crop marks. So you see, because it's going to cut here to a 5 by 7. See where it says Print Setup Wizard? That's where you click, and right here, Marks and Bleeds. That's where you want to make sure your crop marks is clicked. Boom, and then basically you print it to the PDF, and that's how you do it. Now, say you want to just do everything, we're going to delete the photo here. So let's say you want a background shape square. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the outline. But say you want your card, you want blue all the way to the end, that means you got to cut it. So what you're going to do is actually take your little background color and drag it past the edges. So if you go back over to print, you'll now see you got your cut line here. So that's how you do that. So anyways, that's just a quick thing of how to use Publisher.